Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to teach online with Zoom. So this is a simple beginner tutorial that will help you share your screen clearly while keeping your class focused on what you want them to see. So first, create a Zoom account and download the Zoom desktop app. So the desktop version is a good choice for teaching because it gives you the main screen sharing controls. And once it is installed, sign in and make sure the app is updated before starting your class. Next, create or start a Zoom meeting, and when the meeting opens, you'll see the controls at the bottom of the screen, including the share button. And before you share anything, prepare the content you want to teach and open your presentation in PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google Slides and switch it to slideshow or full screen mode. It is also a good idea to close anything unrelated and turn off notifications. And once your slides are ready, return to Zoom and click share. And from the sharing window, choose the application window that contains your presentation instead of sharing your entire screen. So this helps keep your desktop messages and other windows private. And if you see both slideshow and presenter view, choose the full screen slideshow so students only see your slides. And once it is shared, you can start teaching and move through your presentation normally. And if you need to show something else, simply change your screen from the Zoom controls. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.